There are some settings within Teams which need setup before proceeding with any calls. First, you will want to go to your forward settings in the lower left-hand corner and select Don't Forward. Next, you will want to click the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, then select Settings. On the left-hand menu, click on Calls. Under the When you receive a call setting, select Do not ring anyone else. Then select the drop-down beneath the When you can't answer call, then select Do not redirect calls. Now you are ready to proceed. To access your voicemail, dial *98, then the call button. When you have a message, in the top right corner of your phone will be a red light. To access your voicemail, press the message button or dial *36. Next, enter your PIN code followed by the # key. The first time you access voicemail, your default PIN will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you enter this, it will prompt you to enter in a new PIN code. Your new PIN will need to be at least 4 digits or longer. When you enter the voicemail, if you have new messages, it will ask you to press 1 to listen to your messages or press 8 for personal options. When you press 1 to listen to your messages, after listening to a message, it will prompt you with the following options. To skip the message, press 1. To save the message, press 2. To erase the message, press 3. To repeat the message, press 9. Or press 0 to exit. If you press 8 for personal options, you will be provided with the following options. To change your PIN, press 1. To personalize your greeting, press 2. To record your name, press 3. To make a call, click the Calls icon on the left. Use the dial pad to enter an extension or external number. If you are calling an internal party with a Teams account, the call will connect through Teams, otherwise it will be considered an external call. You can also select the call button from a previous call in history or from your speed dials or contacts. When you receive a call, a pop-up box will appear in the lower right-hand corner. To answer the call, click the blue phone icon to accept an audio call. Click the video camera icon to accept a video call. This is only available with a Teams call. Or, click the red phone icon to reject the call. During an active call, either on an external or Teams call, you will have several call control options available. Depending on your version of Microsoft Teams, these options may require you to click the 3 dots at the top to access them. These options include Hold, Blind Transfer, Consult or Assisted Transfer, and Record and Transcribe if permitted within the Teams settings. You can also add additional parties, internal or external, to the call if it is needed, just by entering the person's name if they are on Teams, or by dialing their external number. Now we will discuss call history and contacts. In the center section of your Teams screen is where your call history will be located. You can filter your call history at the top of this section. The following options are available by clicking the appropriate button: All, Missed, Incoming, Outgoing, and Voicemail. Next, we would look at contacts. Contacts and speed dials can be found on the right side of the screen. To view your contacts, click the View Contacts button. While accessing your contacts is easy to do, it will take you to another screen to show them. It will be just as easy to add your favorite or frequently called contacts to your speed dials that will show on your calls page. To add a new speed dial, click the Add New Speed Dial button. This will display the Add to Speed Dial dialog box. Enter the name or number of the person to add. If they already exist in the system, you can select them from the drop-down. Next, the new contact box will appear, and you can fill in the additional information for the contact, then click Save. Making a call on the Teams mobile app is easy. First, click the Calls icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, click the Make Call icon to bring up the dial pad. From the dial pad, you can enter an extension number or an external number, then press the Call button to make a call. You can also click on the People tab and search for a contact. If the user is a Teams user, you will be able to start a video or audio call to the contact. If the contact is an external party, then only an audio call option is available. To answer a call from your mobile Teams app, click Answer to accept the call, or click Decline to send the call to voicemail. Once the call is answered, you will be provided call control options. Here you can mute your microphone, turn video on if the other party is a Teams user, or go on speakerphone. To go on hold, press the Hold button. To resume the call, press the Resume button. When you need to transfer a call, you will be provided with two options. Select Transfer Now to complete a blind transfer, or select Consult First to complete an assisted transfer. Clicking the More button, you will be provided with the following additional options while on the call. When using both a phone and Teams for calls, where calls will ring will be dependent on the phone's Do Not Disturb setting and the status of Teams. The following tables will provide where the call will ring through these settings. When Do Not Disturb is activated on the phone, the following below will apply. When Do Not Disturb is not activated on the phone, the following will apply.